Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Ben Beecher, and today we're in our rig center, which is where all these Nautiques get their final assembly from the factory. And today we're sitting on a brand new 2023 Nautique G25. I'm sitting in the very back of the boat right now. There's two seats, great spot for hanging out at the back of the boat if you're at anchor or strapping on the board. So there's another seat just like this on the other side. Then you have a stereo remote back here. And then right here, great spot to put cold ones. All right, let's take a look inside the cockpit of the boat. As we come inside here, you'll see the nice wide walkway that Nautique is known for. Easy access in and out of the boat. In the cockpit back here, you're going to see this great big lounge area. This is an awesome spot to put as many of your friends as you want. This boat is actually rated for 19 people, and this area is a great spot to put a lot of them. If you have more people who want to face backwards, the rider's in the back of the boat. Pull this seat out, open it up. You also have this seat and this one. So now we have these three seats locked into place so you can watch the riders behind the boat. Just like that, goes back to a seat. As you come inside here, you don't want to go all the way to the back of the boat for a cold drink. We have an in-floor cooler right here. Come on up to the helm. You can see we have our glass dash here. It's going to be offset to the side so you get plenty of good visibility. It is touchscreen. And you also have the toggle switches right here. And then your tower controls right back here. One thing I do love about the Nautiques is the bolster race-inspired seat. Very comfortable, very leg over, face backwards if you like. Very good visibility all the way around. Finally, in the front of the boat, you have a nice big area in the 25. You also have these flip-up armrests. So great spot to relax and enjoy the day. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this brand new Nautique G25.